most hair factories, you be getting like scraps of hair from different people because it is human hair. It's crazy. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. I share content around lifestyle, health, wellness, beauty. I do some reviews here and there, and most importantly, skincare. So if you're interested in any of those things, go ahead and subscribe. Today we are getting into Moon Hair Factory. I have been obsessing over this hair, and obsessing, I've only had it in for about 3 weeks now, but I wanted to come on here and share this hair with you because it's been pretty bomb so far. I haven't found good hair in a long period of time. So I rate hair. Normally I come on here and do hair reviews, and I rate hair on 5 different stars. 1, the price point of the hair. Is the hair worth what you pay for it? 2, does the hair shed? Because if the hair sheds, it is trash. 3, does the hair mat or tangle? Because just like shedding, if it tangles or if it mats, it's trash. 4, does the hair hold a curl? Because I mean, of course we want our hair to hold a curl. 5, how long does the hair last? Normally I do a follow-up video letting you know how long the hair lasts, so that it will be answered in another video. Nope, ain't nobody got time for that. I held off on this review so that I could come back in one video. So that video was 3 to 4 weeks I think I had the hair in, and now I've had this hair in for 8 weeks now. 2 months. 2 months. It's time for me to take this out. Nobody should have a sew-in for 2 months. So at the end of the video, I'm going to give my final thoughts, and I'm also going to include my initial thoughts. So let's get into it. Okay, price point of the hair. I think this hair is very fairly priced. This is a factory. This is a hair vendor. So people are buying hair from this place and reselling it to you at a higher price. So we already cutting out the middleman. Okay, we going straight to the vendor here. So I've on their website, their hair ranges from, I think, I didn't write this down. I should have wrote this down. And because I didn't write this down, I'm gonna have to put it up here. So I'm gonna put it up here. Their hair ranges from, I think, the lowest I remember seeing is like $35, and the highest I remember seeing is like $86 per bundle. I think it's super affordable for a wholesale vendor per bundle. Bundles, I've purchased bundles that are $120 for one bundle, $200 for one bundle. Like, I've had orders where I order hair and it's like $500, $600, $700. So I mean, price point, as I get into it, price point, yes, I think the price point is 100% fair. Okay, so actually with the price point, I wasn't accurate. I wasn't accurate at all. So I'm actually going to put up the price points and what I paid for this hair with the coupon code that I used. So I paid total. So I have my little notes here. I used the discount code MOON, and it's still an active discount code that you could still use now, and that code took off 20-something%, so it took off $61.53, and my total for the hair in all was $231.47. $231.47. This hair, I'm using it for my next install, I think, maybe, or I might purchase shorter ones so that I could use these longer bundles for another install. I might turn this into a wig. That's how good this hair is. I could use this for, I honestly think this hair could last a year plus. So for the price point of the hair, yes, this hair is completely worth it. You are cutting out the middleman, okay? Like, look how this hair still looks, like shiny, bomb, moving. Like, this hair is it. Price point, yes, 5 stars. Does the hair shed? Y'all, this hair sheds like your normal hair would, like normal hair shedding. Like, you ain't running your hands through this and clumps and clumps of hair is falling out. Like, when I say the shedding is almost non-existent, the shedding is almost non-existent, and for that I'm gonna give it 5 stars. This hair sheds like normal. It does not have excessive shedding. However your regular hair sheds, if you have healthy hair, that's about how much this hair sheds. I've had this in for about 2 months now, and I've washed it, I think I've washed it like 4 times. Yeah, I've washed this hair about 4 times. I just washed this yesterday, and I'm gonna put in a clip right here where you can see in the comb, like this is me combing that. This is after me combing the hair and after I conditioned it. That's how much hair came out. That's how much hair came out. When I'm brushing my hair, after when I'm blow drying it, when I'm straightening it, barely any shedding, like barely zero shedding. It could be because the way my hair is installed, my stylist did not cut any of the wefts, so that could be a reason why it hasn't like it's not shedding, because the wefts are still intact. But this hair, 10 out of 10, does not shed. 5 stars. Does the hair tangle or mat? This hair does not tangle. This hair does not mat. I live in Florida. Florida is hot. I always wear like a few pieces like in the front, and then I'll have like pieces of hair in the back. And right here in the nape of your neck, it could get like hot and sweaty, and some hair does tangle or mat in this area, but I have not experienced that. I've had this hair in for 3 weeks now. 3 weeks. I'm about to come up. No, actually, yeah, I've had it in for 3 weeks. Today is Monday. So I'm coming up on my 4th week of having this hair in my head. And when I say it has not matted on me, it has not shed, it does not tangle, this is the best hair I found in a long ass time. Best hair I found in a long ass time. So for that, I'm gonna give it a 5. 8 weeks later, 2 months later, no. This hair is not shedding. This hair is not tangling. This hair is not matting. Try to get closer. This hair is doing what she needs to do. This hair is luminous, silky, moving. Like, she's that girl. And I wear my hair, like I mentioned before, I wear it in the front like this. And you know, sometimes your neck could get hot. I live in Florida, you know, like it's hot, it's humid. And sometimes the hair can mat, like in this nape area here. No, that is not the case with this. She's that girl. Like, she does not mat, she does not shed, she does not tangle. No, you're not getting that with this. Does the hair hold a curl? Okay. So currently my hair is curled. So yes, it does hold a specific curl, especially when you add hairspray to it. But it doesn't hold like and maybe because it doesn't hold like a curl, and I'm gonna say maybe because my hair isn't layered, I try to keep it as in its natural state as possible. So I have barely any layers in this. The only layers I have are like my face framing layers, and these, once I curl this hair and add some hairspray, this stays put for most of the day, I could say. When it comes to like voluminous, like big curls and like holding, like, you know, that 2-inch barrel like curl, I can't speak on that because my hair isn't layered. So maybe when I come back, when I come back, I'm gonna come back with the hair more layered, and I'll be able to tell you like 100% how it curls. But as of right now, I'm gonna give it like a 4. Does it hold a curl? I think I'm gonna stick to what I said before, which I hope I'm gonna say the same thing. I will give it a 4, 3.5, 4 in the curl department, because my hair is not layered, it's still straight. So I'm not sure if it could hold a better curl, but it does hold a curl. It does hold a curl. So Moon Hair Factory, it is an India-based hair factory, and they do a 100% human raw hair. They have single donor hair, which I love, because most hair factories, you be getting like scraps of hair from different people, because it is human hair. It's crazy to say, but you get scraps of hair from different people, and you could tell like some hair They'll have like red pieces, brown pieces, white pieces, gray pieces. This hair is consistent all the way through, okay? And because it's single donor. If you don't know what single donor means, it means it comes from one individual, and that is what keeps the quality of the hair, the texture of the hair, and just the shine and maturity of its hair, like just all the way across the board the same in your bundle, which is going to give you the quality that I have here. Like the way this hair moves, the way this hair shines, like just in itself, this is the best, honestly, like I'm saying, like the best quality hair that I've found so far. I have been on a hunt to find a hair vendor because I'm sick and tired of the middleman, okay? I'm sick and tired of paying double the price for bundles that I could pay a single price for, get good quality hair, and have it for a while. One qualm I could say that I have with this, and I did not expect, is after my hair was shipped to me, I had it installed, I had it in. One thing that just like messed me up, I kept getting messages from FedEx, okay? Kept getting messages from FedEx. I thought, you know those scam messages that you receive? I thought it was like a scam message because it says something about like, my package, I needed to pay something for my package, you know, blah, blah. So I'm like, oh no, I'm not paying shit for no package. Like, I don't know what they're talking about. Then I get a letter in the mail from FedEx. And this letter in the mail from FedEx said that I owe them $20 for tariffs and duties for this hair that was shipped to me. So this is one warning I do want to give you, is if you do purchase from this hair vendor, you are going to get a letter in the mail. I don't know how much it's gonna cost, if it's gonna be what I paid, $20, because I only got 3 bundles in a closure. I don't know what's going on, but you are going to have to pay for your own tariffs and duties with this hair, because again, it's coming straight from the vendor and they don't cover that. They don't cover that. Like, I made my order, I did everything, I was happy, satisfied. I'm like, damn, I finally found some good ass hair. And I got that letter and I actually messaged them. I messaged them and asked them like, hey, like, what is this? I received a letter from FedEx. Like, I've never experienced this before. And they said they do not cover tariffs and duties. So that is just one thing I do have to say about the hair company. But outside of that, this hair is bomb. Oh, how can I even forget? So this hair currently, I'm not wearing it in its natural state. I've had it in for, like I said, 3 weeks now. And for a whole week, I wore it in its natural state. And I completely forgot to like do footage or do a video on that. And then after I came back from vacation, I washed it and then I straightened it. So currently I'm wearing it straightened, but it comes in this pretty natural wave, kind of like a Burmese curl, but like looser. And it's literally the perfect hair for vacation. And it's the perfect everyday hair because it's versatile. You can wear it curly if you want to give if you have leave out and you want to give your hair a break, or you can wear it straight. I also have a closure, and this closure is closuring, okay? I don't even know if that's a thing, but this closure is a Korean Swiss lace closure, and I wear it and I'm just like, what closure? Like, this is my hair. This is my hair. Like, the closure is so good. I'm gonna insert a clip of the closure. I bleached the closure when I got it, and after bleaching it, the knots bleached so good. Knots bleached so good. Closures, I try not to wear closures. I'm not really a closure girl. I'm a leave out girly. I'm an extension girly. I wear closures when I'm trying to get my hair a break, and I'm always trying to find the best possible closure. What I like about this closure is the hair on this closure is quality, and the closure itself is quality. It's thin, the lace is super nice. Like, sometimes there's hair vendors that are a hit and miss when it comes to the closure. Like, maybe the hair is really good but the closure's bad, or maybe the closure is really good but the hair is bad. Good experience here. Closure's good, hair's good. Yes, 5 stars. I'm going to come back. I'm going to come back with a different hairstyle. And when I come back with a different hairstyle, it's going to be with this hair. Yeah, you know what? Fuck it. I'm not even gonna buy new bundles. I'm gonna come back with this hair and I'm actually gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it shorter and I'm gonna have it chopped. I'm gonna have it layered. Might not have the closure, might have the closure. I'm still thinking about it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helps somebody. If you are trying to find a hair vendor and you, listen, we're cutting out the middleman in 2026, okay? Moving forward, we're not buying hair for $100, $200, $300 a bundle when we could go straight to the source, straight to the vendor. And right now, Moon Hair Factory is on top of my vendor list. I have a few other vendors that I want to try. Let me know if there's other vendors that you've seen out there that you want me to try. I'll purchase it. I'll spend my coin so you don't have to, and I'll come back and let you know, like, for real, like what it is.